Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about trigonometric identities. So for trigonometric identities, first if I will draw this right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, as we know that one angle, for trigonometry one angle we are going to take it as theta. One side already is hypotenuse and the sides already you know. So this side if I will take as hypotenuse, and for this theta, if this is adjacent side and if this is opposite side, so A, B, C. So from this triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, can we write that AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, right? So Pythagoras theorem, all of you know, you can check my video for Pythagoras theorem. So if I divide by AC square, it will be AB square plus BC square divided by AC square equals to AC square divided by AC square. What is AC square divided by AC square? That will be 1. So it is AB square divided by AC square plus BC square divided by AC square equals to AC square by AC square. It will become 1. So directly I am going to write it as 1. So now AB divided by AC whole square plus BC divided by AC whole square equals to 1. So what is AB divided by AC from this triangle? Opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is sin theta, right? So from this triangle, can we write it as sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square is equals to 1. Hence sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That's the first identity I have to remember. Next one, there's many ways I can prove the second identity, but showing you the different ways. I have divided this line by AC square. If I divide this line by AB square, what will happen? Just check, it will be 1 plus BC by AB, BC divided by AB whole square equals to AC divided by AB whole square. Now what is BC divided by AB? That is adjacent divided by opposite, that is cot, right? So 1 plus cot square theta, and AC divided by AB, that is cosec, so that is cosec square theta, right? That's the one approach. Second approach, from this identity, if I divide by sin square theta, so it will be sin square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta equals to 1 divided by sin square theta. Now what is sin square theta by sin square theta? That is 1. Cos square theta divided by sin square theta, that is cot square theta. 1 divided by sin square theta, that is cos square theta. So this is another approach of getting this identity. So the last identity I am going to get from this one only. Just check. So if I will previously have divided by sin square theta, now if I divide by cos square theta, this identity will be sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta equals to 1 divided by cos square theta, right? So what is sin square theta divided by cos square theta? That is equals to tan square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta, that is 1, and 1 divided by cos square theta, that is sec square theta. So we are going to remember, please be very careful students, we are going to remember only 3 identities. The first identity that I am going to remember is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. If you know this identity, if you transform, we can get cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, or you can get sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, right? So I am going to remember only this identity. The other 2 identities will come automatically, right? Second one, we are going to remember the identity of 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So how I can transform this identity? I can write that tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. If I take 1 this side, if I take tan square theta this side, can I write sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So if I will remember only this identity, we can easily transform these 2, right? So next one is 1 plus tan square theta. Next one I am going to remember, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So from there again I can transform them and I can find out cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, or we can also write cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. So that means if I will remember only this identity, I can easily transform other two identity, right? So that's the three identity we have, and please try to solve the sum. If there is any problem, please write me in the comment box. Thank you.